Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students of class 4. How are you all?
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Yes, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Okay, Happy New Year. So, students,
Happy New Year.
yes, Happy New Year. Okay, so, students, this is your English text class. Are you ready with your English textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can start. Okay. Happy New Year, Abhiru, Ponurag, Anay. Okay. Adrija is coming. Yes, good morning, Adrija. Okay. So, Agnisha, Happy New Year. So, students, get ready with your Marigold book. Can you tell me in the previous class, before the winter vacation, can you tell me in the last class what we did? Let me know who can remember. In the last class. Yes. The milkman. Okay. Hey.
मैंने बोला
Okay.
मैंने बोला
Okay. Now, can you tell me, students, can you tell me, have I started the scholar's mother tongue? Can you remember? Who can tell me? Scholar's mother's tongue? Scholar's mother tongue? Yes. Yes, we started the story. And from the milkman's cow, we already completed the question answer. Do you remember? Do you remember, student? Yes. From milkman's cow, the question answer part is already completed, isn't it? The exercise part. Have you learned the question answers? Students? Okay. Now, scholar's mother tongue, we already started. Can you tell me, is it completed? No, yes, very good. I thought you already.
मैंने बोला
Okay. Don't fight. Okay, students. So, have you learned the question answers from the milkman's cow? Have you learned the question answers from milkman's cow?
yes ma'am
Okay. Now, open your book, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Okay? Who is singing? A scholar is a learned pandit. Okay? A learned person is called scholar. Okay?
मैं भी पहचानता हूँ
Students, don't talk among yourselves. Okay? Concentrate on the class. So, the scholar's mother tongue. Who came at the court of King Akbar? Who can tell me?
मैम I
Write your answer. Okay. So, students, yes. Chandan, you're the first one. Chandan, then Joy, Deboshmi, yes. So,
I do not write the question answer of
okay, you will get the video from YouTube, okay, and write all the question. Why you didn't do that?
because I learned the Chola's mother tongue.
Okay, who is answering me? Who have not completed the question answer of the milkman's cow? Who is answering me? Who didn't write the milkman's cow question answers from milkman's cow? Who? Tell me the name. Okay, the scholar's mother tongue. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. Okay, he told the king and his courtiers that he knows different languages. Okay, he had mastered over many different languages. That means he knew so many languages very well. Okay. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. Okay. So, why it was very difficult to find out what his mother tongue was? Who can answer me? Why it was very difficult to find out his mother tongue? Why? Who is making sound? Why this kind of sound is coming? Now, why it was difficult to find out his mother tongue? Why? Why it was difficult? I am answering. I am not asking that what was his mother tongue. No, I am asking why it was difficult to find out his mother tongue. Why it? Write the answer. Write the answer. Because he knew all languages, because he was so fluent. Yes, yes, because he could speak many languages fluently. That's why. Okay. So he challenged everybody at the court to name of his dash. To name of his. Answer me. To name of his mother tongue. Yes. When everybody failed the challenge. Okay, very good, Anay. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken by? Yes, very good. Very good, very good. That night. Now, tell me, why Birbal accepted this challenge? Adrija, what you wrote? Because he was so fluent in many languages that no one. Yes, yes, very good, Adrija. Now, tell me why Birbal accepted? Huh? Why Birbal accepted?
I am not. I am wrong. Pandit's mother tongue was.
Because
he was intelligent and he can find out what the Pandit's mother tongue
because
was.
yes, because he was very intelligent. Okay, that's why he took the challenge. He accepted the challenge. Okay, what was the challenge? What was the challenge? Tell me.
What is the Pandit's mother tongue?
Yes.
The mother tongue.
To find out his mother tongue, isn't it? So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So, when everyone failed, Birbal took the challenge. That night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was reading book, na? Yes, asleep. He was asleep. He was not reading book. Yes, very good. So, students, okay, carefully listen. Okay, carefully listen to me. He shouted into the Pandit's ear. Isn't it? Isn't it, student? He whispered. He didn't shout.
He whispered into the Pandit's ear.
Yes, why didn't you give me the answer promptly? I changed the word to find out who is listening to me carefully. Okay, so he whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a stick. Okay. Feather. Yes, it is not stick, it is a feather. Okay. The Pandit, half awake, cried out. So students listen to me carefully and read the book carefully, so that whenever I will ask question, whenever I will change any word, you have to find out. Okay? And I will see who will be the first one. Okay, you cannot hear me properly? Okay, okay. Hi students, someone is making sound. Someone is making a banging sound. Stop this. Now, that night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, shouted out suddenly. Yes, cried out. Very good. And cried out words in his mother tongue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. No. The word was shouted out. You didn't notice, students? You didn't notice? I told and cried out words. Is it right? Shouted out words. No one noticed. No one noticed this change. The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Birbal came to the palace the next day. Okay? Court. Yes, it is not palace, it is court. Yes, very good. Birbal came to the court the next day and told everybody that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Everyone, yes, very good. And told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Tamil. Okay. Yes, very good. Who gave me the answer first? Yes, Adrija. Very good. Okay, Joey. Very good. So, the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Okay. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. What was the truth? What was the truth? Tell me. Yes, his mother tongue was Telugu. Okay, yes, that was the truth. King Akbar then asked Birbal, how did you find the truth? Okay, why the king asked Birbal why? Because why the king asked Birbal, how did you find this truth? Why the king asked? Who can tell me? Because the king was surprised. The king was surprised. The king was astonished. That's why he asked the question, how did you find the truth? Okay. Birbal answered, in times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. It was the Birbal's answer that in times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. And you know, it is also true. Whenever we are in difficulty, whenever we are very sad or our sudden emotion, okay, our sudden emotion comes out through our mother tongue. And you will see that if you are a Bengali speaking person, then you will say, oh Mago, isn't it? Or if you are Hindi speaking, somebody says, hi Ram, isn't it? Or if you are an English speaking, then we say, oh my God, isn't it? So our sudden emotion always bursts out through our mother tongue, through our mother language. You know, how did you find the truth? Birbal answered, in times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. So, Birbal explained the last night's incident, okay? And then he revealed the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. How was the story, students?
Nice, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. And now, students, yes. And in our daily life, it is also true. Whenever we are excited, we are excited or we are very sad, we are depressed, we always use our mother tongue, isn't it? Okay. So, and in times of difficulty, we take shelter of our mother and also our mother tongue, isn't it? Whenever we are in danger, we always, it immediately comes out, oh ma, isn't it? Ma is the supreme who can save us from every difficulties, isn't it? And same thing, our mother tongue, our mother language. Always, our mother language is the best language to express our emotion, to express our certain emotion. Clear, students? Okay. So, this story is adapted from Akbar and Birbal stories. Now, I will ask question. Give me the answer very fast. Who came to Akbar's court? Who came? A learned Pandit. Okay. What did he claim to know? What did he claim to know?
He claimed that what is his mother tongue. That what is his mother tongue. Very different languages.
Yes, he claimed that he had mastery over many different languages and no one could find out what his mother tongue was. How did he challenge everybody? He challenged everybody at the court to name his.
Challenge everybody at the court to name his mother tongue.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so students, get ready with your copy. Now we will write the question answers. Get ready. You already told me the answers very fast. And I am so happy. So students, who came to Akbar's court? Right.
A learned Pandit.
Yes, right.
Once
A learned Pandit once. Who came? You can write visited or came. Okay. A learned Pandit came to Akbar's court. Okay. And the story is the scholar's mother tongue. Can you see the board properly, students? Okay, very good. Now, the next question. What did he claim to know? The Pandit claimed that he had mastery over many different languages. Many different languages. He was so fluent. Wait. After full stop, okay? He could speak so fluently that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. What his mother tongue was. Clear? Now, number 3. How did he challenge everybody? He challenged.
Ma'am, I can't
Yes?
portion of the board.
You cannot see this? No, no, no.
No, ma'am.
This line is seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Only this line is seen. Okay. After this line, I will move to the top.
Okay, ma'am.
He challenged everybody at the court. Can I rub number 1, students? Can I rub?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. Okay. So, students, 3 question answers are completed. The questions from, okay, yes,
Ma'am,
yes, tell me.
stop. I am writing.
Yes, yes, 3 question answers are completed.
No, I am not writing.
Yes, finish your writing.
Okay.
Don't worry. Right.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, okay, okay. Number 2 is complete, students. Can I rub number 2?
No.
Okay, okay, okay. Do fast. Do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Students
All of them.
who have not completed number 2, please do fast.
What's the chair?
Ankur, are you writing?
Yes. Ma'am. 2 number writing complete.
Okay. Do fast.
What? কি লেখা আছে?
Which one? Which one? What his mother tongue was.
James.
He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 2 completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, number 2 and 3 both completed.
Very nice, very nice. Can I rub the whole board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, students, today up to this. Okay. Bye, students. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. How was this class? Did you enjoy this class?
Nice, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
I also enjoyed. I also enjoyed because you people are so good, so good. Okay. Bye, students. Bye, bye. And this video, okay, and this class will be uploaded in the YouTube, so you can get it from there also. Bye.